Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to refund tickets on Viagogo. Viagogo typically operates with a no refund policy for tickets purchased through its platform as sales are final. However, refunds may be possible in certain circumstances, such as if the event is cancelled or if there's a significant issue with the tickets provided. Here are the steps that you can follow to check if a refund is possible and what actions to take. The first thing to do is to go to Viagogo's website at viagogo.com. Then click on the profile picture, just sign in, and just at the top right corner, just go ahead and click on the sign in option to sign in with your login credentials. Now, once you're logged in, head over to your profile icon top right corner and click on My Hub. Once you click on My Hub, it's going to take you to the My Hub section. In the My Hub section, navigate to the left menu and click on My Orders. Then you're going to see the list of all your orders organized here. Find the specific order for the tickets you wish to refund and click on it to view more details. Now, check if the event has been cancelled or if there's an issue with the ticket. Viagogo may offer refunds in cases where the event is officially cancelled. If the event is postponed or rescheduled, Viagogo usually considers the ticket valid for the new date and refunds might not be available. Within the order details, see if there are any options or notes related to refunds. If there's an option for a refund, which might be rare, follow the provided prompt to request a refund. If no refund option is available, go back to My Hub and select Customer Support from the left navigation menu. Then submit a support request by providing your order details and explaining why you are seeking a refund. It could be event cancellation or any other major issue. Be specific in your inquiry to increase the likelihood of a favorable response from Viagogo's support customer service team. After contacting support, check your email regularly for any responses or further instructions from Viagogo. Viagogo will inform you if your refund request is approved along with any additional steps you need to complete. If Viagogo does not approve the refund, consider reselling your ticket on the Viagogo platform. All you need to do is to go to My Orders and locate the ticket, then click on Resell next to the ticket to list it for resale. I'd like you to know the Viagogo generally does not provide refunds unless an event is cancelled. For other situations, contacting Viagogo customer support is recommended to discuss your case. And if a refund is not granted, reselling the tickets may just be the best alternative. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.